The solution for this example: the data table inputs have been set up, floor space down the column, age across the row. What we need to do now is to the left, in this corner here, we've got to say what must Excel go find the answer for. So we're going to say equals that cell over there. And then we need to set up the data table. And we're going to say data, what if analysis, data table. First asks us what the row is, so we can see the row is the age. So where must Excel put this age? We're going to say put it in there. Column inputs, it's the floor space, put it in there. When I say OK, we get our answer. I need to push F9 to make it run. And what we now have is a matrix, so we can go and look at the age of a building and its floor space and quickly see what the potential value is.